You guys ready for a little bit of a challenge? How about a Pepsi challenge?
Pepsi.
I was online last night looking around on YouTube and saw these people stacking up some Pepsis and kind of like a pyramid thing, so we should do the same. But we'll do it our way. We got a couple instruments here. We got a bowling ball. We got our trusty sludge. Baseball bat. And a golf driver. We're going to start the challenge. We're going to try to stack these up in a pyramid, see how tall we can get them. I mean, that is a challenge, isn't it? Look at all these beautiful Pepsis. Let's bowl them down. Ready? Totally missed. Oh, I totally missed some of them. We don't want to waste any of this. Okay.
Oh, you hit on the side. I see what you did.
Yeah, I kind of missed it a little bit. See, so this one's busted. That one over there. You ready to join the conversation?
Yeah. 10 cans. You got 10. Get that over there.
Pepsi!
Okay.
Are you gonna stack them up again?
Yeah.
Are you gonna hit them with the bat?
Yep. I'm gonna actually hit right in the center. I mean, it's a lot more concentrated.
Sounds good to me.
That's good. So start with 10 on the bottom.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, we broke a couple more.
Pepsi.
So where are you gonna hit at?
I'm gonna hit right about there.
Oh, right there?
Yep. And see how many cans I can knock off. Dude, look at that can.
That one got wrapped.
Woo!
Pepsi. Oh, dude. Look at the fence.
I don't know. It looks like a bowling ball to me.
It could be a bowling ball. Let's do a golfing one. Let's stack a couple up here. And I'm going to try to hit this top one off with the golf club.
You gonna do this one?
Yeah.
Per one of our requests, they wanted to see us shake up a can and smash it. Ready for a little golf?
Guess I won't be golfing anytime soon.
You bet. You're gonna have to go talk to your neighbors on that one.
Maybe.
Anybody asks, you were working on your short game with your driver.
Set up a little bit of a 3D pyramid here for our little sledgehammer. Let's go to our classic sledge style. You have something to say about this?
Pepsi. Refreshing.
You're not going to use that one, are you? No.
Put it on top?
No.
No?
Nope. I was trying not to get him on the cars.
Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Pepsi.
Looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, Jesus. Just trying to clear a path.
Did you get it all on you?
A little's an understatement.
How many do we have left that aren't broken?
I don't know. Maybe we should start. 1, 2. I had at least a couple that are open.
All right, so I'm gonna make a little pyramid and throw the bowling ball at it. What do you think of that? Think that's a good idea?
Let's see if you can improve your accuracy from last time.
Make sure the Pepsi logo's out front. I do a 5 stack. Let's throw a bowling ball at this.
See a golf pin over there?
Oh, I'm looking for it.
You could have.
A little super glue and it'll be good as new.
Peeing on the trash can.
Pepsi everywhere. Alright, we think we're going to do another bowling ball one. We're going to fill a whole stump full of cans. And then we're going to throw the bowling ball at it again.
Guaranteed to hit some, because somebody keeps them missing.
Pepsi.
Get that in the back.
That one's pretty dirty. Let's put that one back there. So we took the rest of them here, we covered the stump up with. We're going to throw the bowling ball right on top here for our grand finale. This will be our conclusion to the Pepsi challenge. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, let's do it, man. Ah, you cleared it. That's a strike, right? That was awesome. If there's something you want to see us smash, put it down in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. And as always,
We'll see you next time.
thanks for watching.
Oh, I got hit in the head with a banana.
It's still good. Oh, it's just tomato.